Okay, students, my name is Dimpal Hazarika and I teach you maths in a school. Okay, see, from today we are going to start our online classes of many subjects. I'm going to continue my maths class with chapter number 3, that is decimal. Okay, this is my first video and hope you will like my video and gain the concept of decimal. Now see, decimal fraction. Okay, what is a decimal fraction? By the definition you say a fraction whose denominator is 10 or power of 10. Okay, now power of 10 means it can be 100, it can be 1000, it can be 10,000, etc. Okay, a fraction whose denominator is 10. Now see, 4 by 10. Okay, 4 by 10, this number got denominator 10. 6 by 100, we can represent it. It can be 7 by 1000. Okay, like that on. So the three numbers I put, like 4 by 10, 6 by 100, 7 by 1000. It can be termed as decimal fraction. Now see, there is another way of expressing a decimal fraction, like 4 by 10 can also be expressed as 0.4. Since 10 got 10, so the decimal that is present in 4 as 4.0. This decimal point will shift one place to the left. Now come to 6 by 100. Again 6 by 100. Here the decimal will be placed before 2 digit. Since we are not having any 2 digits here, only 6 is a digit, so we are going to place 10 as 0.06. Now say 7 by 1000. Okay, here say 0.007. It can be represented as 0.007. Okay, you won't know this. I'm just refreshing, okay, your memories. See, in a decimal number, suppose there is a number like 63.82. In a decimal number there are two parts. One part is called whole number part and another part is called decimal number part. Here 63 is the whole number part, and 82 is the decimal part, fine. Again you see 5.21. Suppose I'm writing a number 5.21. In 5.21, 5 is the whole number part, and 21 decimal number part. Okay, fine. Now see, I think you have come across the terms like decimal and unlike decimal. Now if somebody asks you what is a like decimal, what do you say? So see, like decimal, these two can be termed as like decimal. Okay, like decimal is defined as the decimal number having same number of decimal places. Now see, 63.82 has two decimal places, that is 8 and 2. Similarly 5.21 has two decimal points, that is 2 and 1. These two numbers will be termed as like fraction. Now if we come to unlike fraction, okay, suppose there is a number like I'm putting the same now, 5.82 and 6.2345. Okay, see, 5.82 got two decimal places, and 6.2345 got 4 decimal places. Decimal places. 2 decimal places. Okay, these two numbers will be termed as unlike decimal number. Decimal number. Okay, see, in this chapter we'll learn about a property. Okay, it is given in page number 30. You see, the property say, okay, the property says that adding zeros after last digit of decimal part of any decimal number does not change the value of the decimal. Okay, but the property is saying if we add 0 to the last part of a decimal of a given number, then the value does not get changes. Like you see this, I have a number. Okay, I have a number like 1.1. Okay, according to the property, if I put a 0 after this decimal place, it make no difference. Similarly, according to that property, I can write as many zeros as I want. 1.1 is exactly equal to 1.10 and exactly equal to 1.1000000. Okay, now what is the use of this property? Why this property has been given to us in the chapter? See, we have just now learned about like decimal numbers and unlike decimal numbers. With the help of this property, we can convert the unlike decimal numbers to like decimal numbers. Okay, I'll write the property here. Okay, I'll write the property here and give you the use of it. Okay, see, this is the property. It states that adding zeros after last digit of the decimal part of a decimal number does not change its value. Now first thing, see, I have shown you here 1.1, 1.10, 1.100000 are all same. This is what the property is saying. Now okay, we have got the property. Now what is the use of the property? Now see, what is the use? The primary use of the property is converting unlike decimal number to like decimal. Okay, now how we will convert an unlike decimal to like decimal number? Wait, I'll show you. See, in this example, I got three numbers. First number is 4.6, second number is 6.82, third number is 5.241. See, these are unlike decimal numbers. Now, how we can convert into like decimal number? See, first we need to see what is the maximum number of decimal places in the given number. See here, this is 1 place, this 2 and this 3. So we need to make the 3 unlike decimal as like. That is, all the numbers should hold 3 decimal places. Now how it is possible? See, 4.6. Okay, 4.6. It can be written as 4.600. Okay, we got 3 decimal places, although it is 00. Okay, again you see 6.82, it got 2 decimal places. Now we are going to make it 3 decimal places. You see, 6.820, and a third number, it is already having 3 decimal places. Now see, so easily we can make. Okay, now in the chapter 3a, we will start today 3a. In the chapters, we will see the addition and subtraction of a decimal number. Okay, see question number 1. You see what is question number 1? Question number 1 is addition. Okay, first question I'm doing. You see the first question. We are saying that 6.75, 4.3, 2.913. Okay, we got this number. See, the three numbers are having different decimal places. That is, they are unlike decimals. What is your first work? Our first work is to make them like decimal. That is, when say this 6.75. At first you count what is the maximum number of decimal places in the given number. It got 2, it got 1, and it got 3. That is maximum number is 3. So we have to make maximum number of decimal places. That is 3. Is 6.75. 6.75 can be written as 6.750. Likewise 4.3. 4.3 is 4.300. Okay, and 2.913. Okay, then you simply add it. Fine. This is coming 3, this is coming 6. Fine. This is coming 9, this is coming 30. Fine. What is the answer? 13.963. Okay, see question number 2. Question number 2, you see, question number 2 is easy. I will not go for question number 2, but I will go for question number 3. Okay, question number 3, you see, question number 3. What is question saying? 16.32. Okay, 20.04, then 5.207. Third number is 0.918. We need to add these numbers. Now see, these are unlike decimal numbers. Our first work is to make them like decimal numbers. Since maximum 2 of them got 3 decimal places and the above 2 got 2 decimal places, so we have to make them like decimal by putting zeros. Now you simply add it. Okay, if you add it, this will be 5, it is 8, 4, okay, 2, 3, 4, 42.485. This is the answer. Fine. We'll move to question number, the last question, that is question number 5. Question number 5, you see, the numbers are 26.23. Okay, second number is 4, third is 0.003, fourth number is 9.01. Now see, before adding we have to make them like decimal numbers. So see, maximum number of decimal places is 3, so make every number having 3 decimal places. So simply add this. It will be 3, this will be 4, this will be 2, this will be 19, this will be 3. See, 39.243 is the answer. Fine. Okay, now we will come to question number 2, that is this addition part. We'll learn subtraction, how we can subtract a decimal number. Okay, you see question number 2. Question number 2, sub question 1. What is the question saying? 6 subtract 6.473 from 17.589. Okay, you have to subtract this from this. Okay, fine. First of all, you see, is it a like decimal? Yes, it is also having 3 decimal places. It is also having 3 decimal places. We need to simply subtract this. 17.589 minus 6.473. Yes, subtracted, it is 6, it is 1, it is 1, it is again 1, it is also 1. What is the answer? 11.116 is the answer. Okay, come to question number 2. I am writing here. Okay, what is the question saying? Subtract 0.0093 from 0.045. Okay, you have to subtract 0.0093 from 0.045. What are we going to see? At first, you check whether the given numbers are like decimals or not. No, it is holding 3 decimal places, 4 decimal places. It is holding 3 decimal places. So we have to make all the numbers holding 4 decimal places. Now since this is the bigger number, so 0.0450 minus 0.0093. You simply subtract this. Okay, you may pause the video, do the calculation by yourself, and after completing it just resume my video. Okay, this 7, it will be 5, it will be 3, it will be 0.0. So what is the answer coming out? 0.0357. This is the answer. Okay, now I'll go for the last question. You see, other question number 3, question number 4, they are easy, you can try it. Okay, I'll go for the last question, question number 5. You see, what is the question? 0.011 from 1.1. Have to subtract 0.011 from 1.1. Here the same thing, we have to make like decimals, like 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 0.011. Simply subtract this. It will be 9, it will be 8, it will be 0, it will be 1. So what is the answer coming out? 1.089. See, very easily we can do this. Okay, we practice a lot at home. Okay, we'll move on now. We'll move on to question number 3. Okay, now see, question number 3 is a simplification question. Okay, here also the same process we are going to apply. It's a combination of addition and subtraction. We have separately learned how to add, how to subtract. Okay, now question number 3 is providing a platform where both addition and subtraction are given together. Okay, what is the first work? Our first work is to make all the numbers like fractions. Now you see, 4.105, it is holding 3 decimal places, it is having only 2, so we are making it 3 decimal places by putting a 0. Here 5.2, we are going to make 5.200. Now see, first of all you add this. After adding this, from the sum you subtract this. You can do this in rough, you can try this in rough. Okay, and directly put the answer. Fine. If you add this, you will get this 5, then it is 7, then it is 4, then it is 6.475. You have to subtract 5.200 from 6.475. Now if you subtract this, you will get, it is 5 coming down, 7 is coming down, 4 minus 2, it is 2, and it is 1. See, what is our answer? Our answer is 1.275. Okay, you don't put this box. I am putting this box in order to show, or in order to highlight it, the answer. You can simply put a dash. Okay, you simply put the dash in your answer, or you can write answer 1.089. okay, this is the best way. I'm using this box in order to highlight the answer. Fine. Now come to question number 3. Okay, question number 3 is big. I'll write it down first. Okay, now see question number 3, sub question 3. The question is 100 minus 3.067 minus 33.0689 minus 21.2. okay, you do one thing first. First of all, you separate the negative number and positive number. 100 is a positive number, you separate this, and you can do by using a bracket formula. 100, okay, fine, take minus common, 3.067 plus 33.0689 plus 21.2. okay, now what is our work? We have to make these numbers like decimal. okay, how will make like decimal? By putting same number of decimal places. What is the maximum number of decimal places? 1 2 3 4. okay, that is 3.0670 will become the 33.0689. it will be 21.2000. okay, you add this in graph. You add this. If you add this, okay, if you add this, you will get the number like this, 57.3359. now you have to subtract 57.3359 from 100. Similarly, you make 100 with 4 zeros after decimal, minus 57.3359. now easily can subtract it. If you subtract this, you will get 42.6641. fine. okay, now we are going to the last question of this part, that is question number 4. I'll write the question first. okay, you see the question. Subtract the difference of 43.875 and 53.9 from the sum of 29.358 and 2.3023. okay, you have to subtract the difference of, at first you have to find the difference between this number and this number. After finding the difference between this number and this number, we have to subtract it from the sum of these two numbers. We can, for doing this, you can make two different parts. okay, like you see, do the first part, subtract this one and this one, calculate the difference between this one and this one. Now see, 53 is the bigger number, the 53.9 you put first, then you put 43.875. fine, you make like fraction. yes, okay, if you do this, you can get this 5, this 2, it will become 0, it also becoming 0, it will become 1. that is, the difference between this number and this number is 10.025. now calculate the sum of these two numbers. okay, Now sum of these two numbers, 29.358, 2.3023. Have to add this. You make this, put a 0 here. If you add this, it will be 3. It is becoming 10, 0, 6, again 6, 11, 3. Okay, what are we getting? 31.6603. Now what is the question is saying? You have to subtract this number from this number. Okay, the question is very easy. Now see, now 331.6603 minus 10.0250. Subtract this, you can get this is 3, this is 5, okay, this is 3, it is 6, it is 1, and it is 2. What is the answer? The answer is 21.6353. Okay, this is the answer. Along with this question, I have completed 3A. Okay, I'll continue 3B in my next video. Okay, till then, goodbye. Meet you in our next video.